malalaglag. Meron sa bigita.
And I stumbled upon this photo. This was taken by a British landscape photographer whose name is Joe Cornish.
Mga landscape photography. Ayan. Sabi ko, balang araw, paglaki ko, makakuha rin ako ng ganitong shot. Okay? So, a couple of years later, I was already doing landscape photography and nagpa-practice na ako. I came across this poster where this is first where you used to work.